Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious apple pie using your air fryer. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need 2 pie crusts, about 6 medium apples, some sugar, cinnamon, and a touch of butter. Begin by peeling, coring, and slicing your apples into uniform 1/4 inch pieces. Then, gently toss these apple slices with half a cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon until they are well coated. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic pie. Now let's assemble our pie. Take one of your pie crusts and carefully press it into a 6-inch air fryer safe pan, ensuring it fits snugly and covers the bottom and sides. Next, spoon in all of your delicious apple filling, mounding it slightly in the center. Finally, place the second pie crust over the top, trimming any excess. Crimp the edges firmly to create a good seal, preventing any filling from escaping during cooking. It's time to get this pie into the air fryer. Before cooking, use a sharp knife to cut several small slits into the top crust. This allows steam to escape, preventing a soggy pie. For a beautiful golden brown finish, brush the top of your pie with a simple egg wash. Then, carefully place your pie into the air fryer basket. Cook it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the crust is perfectly golden and the filling is bubbly. Once your apple pie is beautifully baked, the hardest part is waiting. Allow it to cool on a wire rack for at least 30 minutes before attempting to slice it. This cooling time helps the filling set properly, ensuring clean, delicious slices. Serve your warm apple pie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra special treat. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite recipes or any book, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade air fryer apple pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.